Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to talk about on how to incorporate a business using LegalZoom. Let's get started. First, all we need to do is to go on to the business and go on corporation, ability, and wait for it to load. From here, we're going to enter the location of our business like a specific state. Now after selecting a state, hit on next. From here, who will be the primary contact? You can enter your specific email and phone number. Now, they can also ask you, what does Starbucks do? You can enter a specific industry. For example, I'm going to take here on advertising consult. Click on next. From here, they're going to ask you if will you be forming a designated professional corporation. If you don't, click on no. If yes, they're going to charge you another $50. Click on next. From here, will you have an employees in the first 12 months? If you have, choose yes. If you don't, choose no. Here, they're going to ask you, let's keep your corporation complaint to avoid setbacks. This is a fourth type of features. Just hit on next. And then click on appoint LegalZoom. Here, we're going to choose a 3 set of plans. The first plan is bylaws and resolutions for $99 and the other, and click on select plan. Now from here, you can also add a license and permits, but if you don't need to and you already have one, click on no thanks. Now they're going to ask you, do you wish to obtain S-Corp status for your company? But if you're not ready, click on no and hit on next. From here, if you need a business attorney, click on take my included trial or just simply click on no thanks. Now here we're going to choose again a specific plan for the package, the economy, standard, and the expert's gold. Now from here, they have different kind of plans. All we need to do is to select one. I'm going to choose here the Express Gold, which is $349. And now from here, if you need a separate your personal business finances with a business, click on select, but if you don't, choose no thanks. And now they're going to prepare it, and all you need to do is to review your order below. Now, after reviewing and confirming that you are good to go, click on proceed to checkout. And then after that, all you need to do is to choose 2 types of payment, in monthly installments or in one payment. Now after that, input your shipping information and your payment information, and then you're good to go. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.